What's up, Carl? This is Corey. Anyway, if you want to scale out a cleaning business, that way you could free up some time, I'd love to do it with you. There's a few things I want to show you real quick. I'm just going to pull up a Las Vegas SEO. This is actually my site right here. So one thing that Google likes when you're actually taking a website and starting to rank it, doesn't really matter what it really looks like as long as you have a good click to call action. But Google does love to see a lot of words. So the more words that you have on your site, it's easier to actually get ranked and get on that first page of Google. So once you get a good little click to call action, I mean, we could do like a percentage off on your first cleaning, or it doesn't really matter as long as we have a decent call to action to drum up some business. But one thing that I want to talk about is how many people are actually looking up cleaning services just in Sioux Falls alone. So you got cleaning services Sioux Falls. That's actually a keyword. So inside of your website with all those words, you're going to have keywords, and those keywords is really what's going to help pull up your website and get those rankings. So cleaning services Sioux Falls, there's 100 clicks every single month just here in Sioux Falls alone. So if we could gain, 15-20% of these of those clicks by getting on the first page, which is actually going to be really easy to do, because this KD right here, this stands for keyword difficulty. And so cleaning services in Sioux Falls, you get 100 clicks and it's a 1 KD. It's 0 out of 100. And so 0 ones are really, really simple and easy. It's like knocking out third graders. They're easy to rank. So we can go after that keyword. We got house cleaning Sioux Falls. There's another 60 clicks. You got cleaning services Sioux Falls SD, another 70 clicks. Sioux Falls cleaning services, another 30 clicks. House cleaning Sioux Falls SD, another 20 clicks. So even if we go from there's 100 clicks, there's 260, there's like 320 clicks. So if we capture 15-20% of these, we could definitely start booking a couple houses every single day and start expanding and growing a little bit more. And if you want to train some people, I'd love to go into business with you on this, because there's a lot of clicks, and I know we can definitely enhance what you're already doing, but also get you more business, and that way you're actually just managing versus going out there and cleaning houses yourself. Anyway, call me back, text me. Just want to share that with you, and I'll do all the ranking and getting this website up and going.